Hello everybody, we are the Token Minorities. I'm Jolt.
I'm Vic.
I'm Jeremy.
And we are...
Lizardon
is here.
Hi guys.
Alright, anyway, we are here with an epilogue to our 650 Pokemon booster pack opening.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, so many cards, so many
Oh
packs.
my god.
We have a trade binder update for you guys as to what we still have available for trade. There's also a few extra things in here that I brought here from home after winter break. So yeah, we're just going to kind of flip through these cards, show you what we have. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see in front of you, let me go ahead and zoom in for that.
We've got 9 lovely Pokemon cards.
Yes, start off with that shiny Hydreigon, and then a couple full arts there still, a Reshiram EX and an Entei EX. And I got a couple Mewtwo's, Reshiram, Deoxys EX, very valuable card there, and a couple Regigigas.
Did you seriously call it Hydreigon?
Yes. Wait, what I call?
You called it Hydreigon.
Don't go all German major on
I'm
us.
sorry. Okay, then we have a White Kyurem EX, and then several Shaman EX.
So much Shaman.
Black Kyurem, regular Kyurem, a Lugia EX, and Celebi and Victini. And down here we have another Regigigas, and Zekrom and Cresselia. And Ho-Oh and Tornadus there on the middle and the right. And then we have a few Radiant Collection cards in Meloetta EX, Reshiram full, Emolga full, and a Mew EX. And if you hear noises in the background, we're sorry. People in the hallway are being very loud.
I'm partying. Party hard.
Party hard.
And then we also have Cresselia Level X from is that Great Encounters?
I believe so.
Yeah, it is. And then we have a Black Kyurem EX and Cobalion EX. And go ahead and flip that next page. We have some Ace Specs.
Oh, right. Those are holes.
Yeah.
Ignore me. Hello.
We have a couple Dowsing Machines, a Gold Potion, Scramble Switch ×3, and a Rock Guard.
And no computer search.
Well, we've already sold, or I think it goes in a complete set. I'm not sure what the status of that particular one is. But do remember that all of these cards we're showing you are for trade or for sale.
That's basically the point of this video.
Yes, exactly. So, yeah, if you see anything you like, leave a comment or shoot us a private message. We'll check both. Make sure to include the card and the card number that you want, the little number on the bottom of the card, as well as your offer, whether it be monetary or another card. I think I'll try to find a way to post my Pokemon wish list in the comments so that you know what kind of things we're looking to trade for.
And also, because there's going to be 3 kind of segments, I think it's going to be in 2 parts, but 3 segments, make sure that you mention to whom you are addressing the message, because the bulk of these cards are Jolts, but I've got a fair amount and Jeremy's got a few as well, so shoot us, make sure to include that so we know who is doing business with you guys.
Right. This whole first segment will be my cards, and then we'll move on to Vic and Jeremy
he thinks he's special.
later. Well, I just have the biggest amount, so I figured I should get mine done first.
He's special.
I think I'm special as well. Anyways, now let's move on to the Hollows. We have a Gastrodon. I don't know which one that is, or is that the next page? That's actually the next page. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'll stick my fingers through the holes.
We have this Boundaries Cross Charizard. I believe that's about a $10 card.
It's insane.
Yes. Then we have Cinccino, which might also be the next page. I don't know.
No, that's not.
That's not okay. Probably should have filled.
Right is
Okay, I probably should have filled all these slots, but it's all right. We have a Ghetsis Hollow, Sceptile, Absol, and a Kyurem. And go ahead and flip the page. Boop. We have Electrode, Cofagrigus, and then we have down here a Rotom and Porygon Z, both from Great Encounters, and a Sceptile right there, and that Gastrodon from earlier. And then now I'll just go ahead and pan through these. Again, if you see anything you like, make sure to take note of it.
I like so much.
Actually, go ahead and go back. We missed the top right one on that page. That was a Manaphy. Okay.
You don't need to stroke it with your...
I will stroke Manaphy as I see fit.
No comment.
Who's this fit? I see fit. Stroke.
What?
I'm sure that we should probably be talking through this.
No, it's not really necessary.
Otherwise, we'll dub music over it. Kill our voices and dub music.
They can just hear us have a conversation.
Can we put
okay.
So how's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
AWOL Nation sail. Everything is for
sail. Oh, there's a Genesect promo down there. That's a little out of place, but that's the red Genesect, black and white, 100, I believe, or 101. That was in the recent Red Genesect collector's box.
I have several of those for sale.
Yes,
if you are
Jeremy
interested.
has several. You'll see those later.
I have an army of them.
Sale.
We have a lot of Next Destinies cards. We opened many packs, and you haven't
So
even
much
seen
Next
half of what we have. Okay, and here's some of the cards that I brought from home. Several from very old sets. Looks like a Jungle Violet Plume, Fossil Ditto, Ruby Sapphire, I think, Torkoal, and then Camerupt, Clefairy, etc. You can see I'm not going to list them all off. Up there we have several from Diamond and Pearl series sets, it looks like.
This Garchomp at the bottom is terrifying.
Yeah,
to me.
it's really
Something
cool
about
looking.
the proportions of it just scare me.
And then this page has some of the older cards again, but more Plasma Blast cards and a little bit of Dragons Exalted at the bottom. Go ahead.
Going.
And then finishing up my hollows, we have those big boys up there. And now moving on to my boatload of Pop Series 7 Curlia.
In case you're wondering, this is in fact Curlia, 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 and...
Curlia.
You stole it from me.
But hey,
Spoilers.
turn the page, there's more.
Obvious.
And Curlia!
Curlia fries.
And
Oh,
we also
God.
have a boatload of Ampharos in Pop Series 7 hollows. These are all holographics.
It is actually a buttload because it's 18 of each.
Yes. Actually, there was 20. I think I've sold 2 though, or
I
given
seem
away.
to remember that being the case.
So, but a lot more Ampharos. Now here are some more promos or subset cards. Yeah, we got Pikachu and Electabuzz from the very original promo series. I think they're like 1 and 4, 1 and 5, something like that. Maybe even 1 and 2. I don't know.
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Excellent.
Yeah, E-Buzz is number 2.
And then Zapdos Moltres, also Wizards of the Coast promos. Couple Arceus, 3 Arceus.
I miss Wizards.
And a couple more Black and White, perhaps, promos. Maybe Diamond Pearl, I'm not sure.
The Empoleon one is black white. I know.
Okay.
You got that
Go ahead
one
and
for
flip.
me.
And the Amphi is just this
Yeah,
guy
it's just
again.
another one of those. Out of place for whatever reason.
I miss Wizards.
Okay.
Because Wizards
That
was
Empoleon was
awesome.
down
Wizards of the
Cross,
Coast,
I
just the
remember
cards
that.
that they made were fantastic.
So now we'll go ahead and move on to
I got one
the
out by Nintendo.
regular rares. These are not the reverse rares. We'll get to those soon.
All these.
These are, again, some of the oldies I brought from home.
Basic.
From the original base set, Jungle,
Oh my
Fossil. Very old, but all in near mint to mint condition. Nothing we sell will be anything less.
You cannot eat the mint condition.
A little bit of a glare on that Dark
Oh,
Dragonite from the
God.
Rocket set there, but
This
that's what that
card,
is.
Back in my early play days, was insane. I never once beat my friend Stephanie, who used it in her deck. It was unbelievably good. Aerial maneuvers prevents all damage done to it the next turn.
Some
Just
Neo
spam it.
cards here. And then some baby Pokemon. Go ahead.
Going.
Looks like a Scizor there. Then we're moving on to some EX Ruby Sapphire and some other EX series cards. Got some glare there on the bottom left. Would you mind pushing the page back a little bit, Vic, down there? Yeah. There we go. That's a lot better.
Oops.
Yeah, just kind of hold that up so it doesn't catch the light.
Ta-da!
Alright, then we have some later EX series cards over here. Now we have some glare in the middle of that page. It's just I double wrap these cards because they're so old. I don't want them to get damaged.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. You can see that's a Salamence there in the middle from EX Dragon. Then we have some Delta Species cards.
Delta Species. These hurt my head.
Also a couple, or one from EX Unseen Forces, that Jinx. And then Arcanine from EX Fire Red Leaf Green.
The best. I had a Delta Species.
A lot of glare there.
It's like, what?
Let's see. Maybe I can move the camera now.
Sorry, the light. Your 3-point lighting isn't working, Lizzie.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll just kind of tell people what it is. Looks like that bottom right one that's kind of hard to see is a Magneton from EX Legend Maker. I believe that's Legend Maker. Yeah, that's Legend Maker. Or, yeah. It might be Power Keepers, one of the two. Okay, and then now we have Sableye. I'm going to start. You can see these pretty well. Moving on to some Diamond and Pearl series cards. Go ahead.
Going.
Alright, Vic, can you move your hand, please? Thank you. We got a Golem.
Gorum.
These are all very visible. And our favorite, Wobbuffet.
I'm playing through Y, and I
Go
found
ahead.
the cave where there's just tons of Wobbuffet. It made me so happy. And Jolt was envious because he didn't find any.
I didn't
I don't
really
think
look,
I
but
found any there either, so I don't know what you're talking about by tons.
I bumped into 4 in a row.
Is it still dark?
Yeah,
No,
that's
it's fine.
That's
better.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It may be a fluke. I still found
Go
tons
ahead.
of Wobbuffet.
go ahead.
Client case.
Looks like these are from some of the earlier Black and White series.
I love the art style.
Here's some from Next Destinies, which we'll have a ton of.
Next Destiny sucked for us.
Yeah.
We got robbed.
We didn't even show your video, Vic. We just kind of scrapped it because it was so bad.
Embarrassing. I'm still trying to get rid of all that bulk.
Yeah, we have tons of bulk as well. I forgot to mention that. If you're interested in buying just straight up bulk, commons and uncommons of the Pokemon Monster cards,
We have them.
we have tons, and we'll give you a very good rate for them.
What's the rate? Is it 10 cents per card?
Yeah, we'll go 10 cents per card. If you're willing to pay 10 cents per common, we got you covered. Go ahead.
And I also have been running a deal recently, $4.50 for 25, I believe, or maybe $3.50. And if you buy more than one, then I throw in a couple of rares for you. So, you know, vicmathers on eBay. It may be down because I think I took everything down for winter and I just haven't had a chance to get it back up yet.
Go ahead.
So hit us up through the channel if you're interested in that stuff. It's probably the easiest way right now just because we're trying to reconnect some communication lines that were down.
Go ahead.
I'm going, okay?
Faster!
Jolt, I'm hurrying as much as I can. Are you laughing at, lizard?
Dragon.
Not lizard. I don't do that tongue thing.
We also have a lot of Plasma Storm. We opened up a case of those. Go ahead.
Yeah, we did open a lot of those, didn't we? We did get a full play set of them, right? Or a complete set?
We have a complete set minus the shiny or the secret rare shiny whatever Blastoise.
Right.
So if anyone has that, we're definitely looking for it.
Please.
Tons of EXs to offer for it.
I mean, you saw them at the beginning.
Yeah.
Why are these two not hollow?
Who knows? Go ahead.
Reasons.
I think it's because there are already EXs of those in this
Well, I mean,
set.
we have the Black Curums. I have the same Black Curum in hollow.
Right.
But, you know, just looking at it, it's just kind of goofy.
Oh, there's a classic Moltres there on the bottom right.
Oh, that card is so cool.
Oh, that one. See, if it's an old card and I remember it, you know it's really old.
And here's some from the newest set, Legendary Treasures, some of our extra rares. We do hold on to one copy of each card just so we can complete sets. And I will make a personal video for that whenever I go back home so that you can see what complete sets I have whenever the time comes.
He's got a lot of complete sets, guys.
I do. I've completed all, I think all or almost all of the early sets up to Neo Destiny, which is a very valuable set. So let me know if you're interested in that.
Solitaire. This complete set.
Solitaire with Pokemon cards would be so confusing.
Oh, where does this go?
What's the total number of Pokemon?
Appendiciting.
What's the total number of Pokemons in the National Pokédex?
151.
700 or something.
Alive.
There's a lot.
Looks like this is a
Pokeballs.
all blue page. Go ahead next.
I apologize.
Here you see the rare Pokeball.
One of a kind.
Well, this is relatively rare.
One's like,
Go ahead.
they make it
They haven't printed Pokeball in
a
ages.
misprint where the back becomes a Master Ball.
That would be so valuable.
That would be quite a misprint.
Yeah, and then because it's a really strong Pokemon, so that whenever you draw it, you could tell which one's which because it's like a big old Master Ball.
Broken.
It's like what?
Yeah, feel free to pause the video if I'm going too fast through these.
This is just kind
It's
of
for time's sake.
Get as much of the snapshot as possible.
Yeah, exactly.
What are you talking about? I didn't write what I'm about to draw in the back. This is a misprint.
I had someone try that against me once. It was so bad. I had him take all the cases off.
Okay, and then some more of the older cards. We're getting near the end of the rares here. Go ahead.
Boop.
Okay.
A few more.
And the Megas do not have National Pokédex numbers.
No, they're the
No,
same
right,
Pokemon
same
that
thing.
just got
Go ahead.
an item to change their form.
Okay, so now we're moving on to some of my E-Series cards. These are from, I think all from Skyridge or Aquapolis, I believe. Might be some Expedition cards in here as well, I'm not sure. But these are just some of the rares and others that I brought from home. And then I also have a deck of those that I'll try to hold in front of the camera and show you
The stuff
very
that you pawned
briefly.
off of me.
No, I got a searched Skyridge booster box to get some of the bulk from that.
Oh,
So it's
right,
pretty cool.
yeah,
Okay, so as you can see, we have that, what is that, a Vaporeon, Jolteon up there, and then a Steelix and Rhydon. Go ahead.
Wait, what was the point of e-reader cards?
You could scan them through an
Ledian,
and
Moltres,
dip them into your game.
Piloswine, and
Really?
Xatu. And then we have a bunch of the trainers from that set there.
What's the point of trainers?
It wasn't that you got the exact card necessarily.
some
that
more,
was on
and then some of the commons and
the arena card.
uncommons.
You got data, like DLC. It's the modern it's the period equivalent of DLC. But the series was super short, so the cards were discontinued, which is why they are worth a metric load.
Also, we're starting to see some of the classic rare trainers. I went ahead and put those behind
These are like
plastic to keep them
quadruples.
protected.
Imposter Oak is
Imposter
so
Oak.
cool.
I remember that card.
Yeah. Okay, and now we're going to move on to some of my Radiant Collection extras from the
These
most
things-
recent set.
These things are so cool.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Oop.
We did complete this set, I think, twice in the same booster box, and it was pretty nice.
I do believe you are correct. And so much Stunfisk.
Yeah.
Whoopsie.
Uh-oh.
My bad.
We got a few more here.
Trap Pokemon.
Elisa's a pretty good card, if I remember right.
Search your deck for 3 Pokemon tool cards, reveal them, and shuffle them into your hand.
Yes.
You then shuffle your deck afterwards. Yeah, very good.
They shuffle them
Okay,
into your hand.
so
Put
now
them into your hand. Sorry.
let's
shuffle them
move
into your
on
hand.
to the rare reverses. As you can see.
There are rare reverses.
Go ahead.
Reverse.
These are all the ones from the playable card sets, and then at the very end we'll show you the ones from the previous card sets that we have, which are a very small number, but we have some.
Here.
Yeah, we have a lot of reverse semi-seer if you're interested.
Gotten so many Growlithe as well.
Arcanine.
Growlithe.
Arcanine, you mean?
No, I
Oh, yeah,
don't mean
like-
right here. I mean
Oh,
just
yeah.
in general. We
Ultimately,
have so
we have a
many
lot
Growlithe.
of Arcanine.
Yep, all that next Destinies, that's what it does. We still couldn't quite complete the reverse holo set of next Destinies.
You'd think with the amount that
Yeah,
we
we missed
did-
like one or two. Alright, go ahead.
You could get.
A lot of Articuno as well, if I remember right, but we've
I think
traded
it was like
most
6
of them.
Articuno and 8
Lucario.
Lucario,
It
there
was
we go.
crazy.
Yeah.
And there was a ton of Luxio, Luxray
Yeah.
too,
Right, yeah.
and some Masharn.
Alright, so here are the non-rare playable reverse holos.
Pretty sure I have the remains of that Mashana that we shredded
Go
on
ahead.
camera in the drawer where I keep my binder.
Good times.
It's still down there. If anybody is interested in that collector's item from TheTokenMinorities, a shredded Mashana, you let me know. I'll sell
It'll
it
be
to
free.
you dirt cheap.
Free.
If you
Not
don't,
quite.
If you don't an autograph,
1
trail
cent.
on it.
Yeah, I will autograph it. I might even kiss it if you're really nice.
Weird.
He's into some weird stuff, guys.
No. I don't know what the fan girls are into.
Different. Let's go with different.
Different strokes for different bullets.
Oh.
Huh?
Don't ask.
Huh?
I won't.
Not sure how the girlfriend's gonna feel about seeing that one in the video. She subscribed to us. I should ask her to
I
subscribe.
don't know.
No idea.
Wait, what?
Go ahead.
That was me.
There's all those Growlithe
That's me talking to
Jeremy
myself.
was talking about.
Growlithe.
I've actually traded a bunch of them already to him, I think.
Yeah.
Growlithe.
Go ahead.
Growl.
Growlithe.
I forgot I had this.
Growlithe. Used Growlithe.
Go ahead.
Oh, it's all hard.
He's talking about donut, folks.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Donuts.
Go ahead.
Legitly, it's donuts.
Don't make it awkward, Lizzie.
Okay.
What food?
I don't get it. What are you talking about?
Alright.
Donuts.
Okay.
2 extra.
Yeah. Alright, now some
Yeah.
of the non-playable reverse rares. We've got some very old, or one very old one there in the Cradley, and then a few on top. Okay. Alright, and then these are the non-playable, non-rare reverse holos.
Try saying that 5 times fast.
Yeah. Okay.
Non-playable.
And then we
Okay, that
have
wasn't a challenge.
those there. So that's the end of this binder, and that'll conclude this video because it's now at 18 minutes. I will show you the remainder of my EX series card, or not my EX, my e-reader series cards, as well as my my trainers, and I guess other valuables, and then I'll turn it over to Jeremy and Vic to finish out part 2. So stay tuned. Hope you found some stuff you like, and we'll see you all next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.